Now I'm going to show you how to change sign in Adobe Reader. Open your Adobe Reader and open a PDF first of all, then go to All Tools, click on View More and find out Fill and Sign, click on that. And under Fill and Sign yourself, here you will find all of your created signs. Now we can't edit existing sign, so we have to delete the sign first of all, and then we will create a new sign. So just click on this remove your initial icon and the specific sign will remove. Now click on add initials, and now here you will find three different options to create your new sign. You can select type and then just go ahead and type your new sign, then click on change style. You can change your sign style from here, then go to draw. You can simply draw your new sign here. You can click on clear, then you can redraw the sign, or you can just select image option and from your computer select your new sign image to upload. So this is the only way to edit a sign in our Adobe Reader app. Once the sign added, now you can use the new sign just like this. Thanks for watching.